Hi dear students of standard 7, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Now I am going to recap chapter 1 mathematics, how to find out square root number using division method. So let's get started. Consider a number 16. This is square number now because 4 4 are 16. 16, that means 4. This is square number, this is square root number. If I write 36, then 6 6 is 36. This is square number and 6 is square root number. 36 equal to 6. So we have learned already what is square number and what is square root number. But look, 16 and 36, this is a simple and small number. This is very much easy to find out a square root number. But how to find out square root number of the bigger number? Suppose consider number if it is 784. 784. We'll find out square root number of this number. First of all, what's the step? What's the first step? You will make a pair from right side of 2 digits. Look, from right side, not left side, right side. 84, one pair, and there is another digit left. This is 7. You will put a line above the digit. So if there are 4 digits, suppose 1369, if it is this, there are 2 pair, you will get 69 one pair and 13 one pair, but there are 3 digits, so it will be 1 pair and 1 digit unpaired, no problem. So you will put a line there. So from which digit you will start? Generally we start from left to divide. So at that case we will do same thing. If you write here 1, suppose you will write 1. So whatever the digit is, you will multiply by same digit. Suppose you will write 1, so you will write 1 1 ja 1. The product will be there. Look, but it seems that this is a very much small digit or number, so we can check by using another digit. It can be 2. Suppose this is 2, 2. So your 2 2 ja 4. So we can write here 4. If we subtract, we can get here 3. So for removing the confusion, you can use another number or another digit here, so that you can be sure. Suppose this is 3. Okay, so if I write here 3, it will be 3 3 ja 9. You will write here 9, but look, 7 is smaller than 9, so we can't write here 3. So the perfect digit here, it will be 2. 2. So we know 2 2 ja 4. We have written here 4, this. So the next step is you will subtract 4 from 7. So if we subtract 4 from 7, we will get here 3. Okay, then what's the next step? We have written here 2. Whatever the digit or whatever the number you will write here, you will double this number. It will be doubled. 2 2 ja 4. The product, after multiplying by 2, the product will be there. Suppose this is 5. So 2 5 are 10. You will write here 10. If it is 6, then you will write here 12. If it is 4, then 2 4 are 8. But this is 2. We will write here 4. Okay. Then next step. What's the next step? In the normal division, 1 by 1 digits we have we have to bring down. Suppose 5 to 8. If you divide this by 2, 2 2 ja 4. Then 1. Look, 1 is here left. then you will bring down only 2, not 28. Then what? 2 6 are 12. Then you will bring down 8. So we have seen that 1 by 1 digit will be there for what? General division. But in this method, to find out square root number using division method, one pair will be come down. Total pair 84, not only 4, 84 will be there. Okay, then what you'll do, you will consider a digit there. Whatever the digit you will put here, you will write here same digit. Suppose this is 5, you will put here 5. But before writing the digit, you will consider a thing. Look, suppose 45, 5 5 ja 25, 2 in hand, 4 5 ja 20 to 22. So this 2 digit 225. So 5 and 4, 4 5 ja 20 or more than 20 you can get. But here what? 38. If you write here 6, you will write here 6. Then 4 6 ja what? 24 or more than 24 you can get. But there 38. Look, if you write here 7, then you will write here 7. Then 7 4 ja 28. But here 38. So you will consider a digit what is near 38. So if I write here 8, look, 4 8 ja 32. But if I write here 9, 4 9 ja 36, it will be 9, but it will be 8. So you need to check using both number. So we'll consider 8 first. So we have written here 8, we have written here 8, same. Whatever you write here, you'll write here, not left side, right side of the number. Okay, then 48 and 8. Look, this by this. 8 is the what? 64, 4. Then 6 in hand, 4 is the 32 and 6, 38. So 384. So result is matched. So what will be the 784 equal to 28. This is the square root number of square number 784. This is the procedure. So we'll practice another one or two. If this is 4225, okay, what we'll do first? We'll make pair from where? The right side. How many digits are there? 4. So we'll get complete 2 pair, 25 and 42. Look, 2 pair. If there are 5 digits, then another 1 digit will be there. So we have written here 4 digits, number of 4 digits. So first one, which pair you'll consider? Of course, left digit, not right. Generally we do division from left to right. So consider 42 is the dividend. So you will put a number, whatever you will write the number, you will multiply by same number. Suppose it is 4, suppose 4. Then 4 4 is 16. Look, this is what? You will get here 6 and 2, 26. So it looks odd. The remainder is very much big. So we can consider another one. We can consider 5. If it is 5, then 5 5 is 25. But here 42. We can check by another digit. It can be 6. 6 6 is 36. If I write here 6, 6 is 36. We can write here another digit. You will check by another digit. It can be 7, But if you write here 7, 7 7 is 49. It is bigger than 42. So we can't write here 7. If I write here 7, just I am showing you. If it is 7, 7 7 is 7 7 is 49. 49. It is bigger than 42. So we can't write here 7. It will be 6. It will be 6. So 6 is 36. 36. Then we will subtract. If we subtract from 12, we will get here 6. This. So previously I have told that just pair will be what brought down. I will bring total full pair 25. 25 pair will be gone there. Not 2, not 5. Full pair. Look. Full pair you will bring down. Okay. Then what's the next procedure? Double of 6 you will put. Double. You will multiply this number by 2. Twice of the number 12. So we'll write here 12. Look. 12 we have written. Whatever the digit is, you will multiply by 2 and the product you will put here. So here 6, 2 6 is 12. We have written here 12. So then what you will do? Like previous math, whatever you will write, you will consider. Look, but there is 6, 62. So you will consider a digit what will be matched. If it is 4, you will write here 4. But look, last one 4. 4 1 is 4. It can be, if you write here 5, if you write here 5, you will write here 5. Then 125 and 5. You will multiply this. Then suppose 5 5 is 25, 5 2 in hand, 2 5 is 10 and 2 12, 2 1 in hand. Then 5 1 is 5 and 1 6. Look, 5. So it will be 625. So 0. So which one will be the result or root square number? 65. Then we can write here 4225 equal to 65. 65 is a square root number. We will practice another one. Then the procedure you will understand better. Suppose a number of 5 digits, 66,564. You can consider this. So you will make pair from where? From right side. 1 pair, 2 pair, and 1 digit is left. It is unpaired. No problem. So first of all, what you will do? Which pair you will divide, or which pair you will consider? Of course not right this one, 6. Look, this. So if I write here 1, it will be 1. No. If I write 2, 2 2 is 4. If I write 3 here, 3 3 is 9. So it will be bigger than 6. If I write here 3, 3 3 is 9. 9. Look, but 9 is bigger than 6. So we can't write here 3. So if it is 2, then 2 2 is 4. 4. Then what? 2. Then what's the next step? You will bring down 1 pair. What's the next pair? 65. Not 6 only. 65. So what's the next step? What is this digit? 2. The double of the digit, what you will write? You will put. So 2, what's the double? 2 2 is 4. If it is 5, it will be 10. If it is 9, it will be 18. If it is 6, it will be 12. So whatever you will write, you will double the digit and you will write twice of the digit. So 4, it will be 4. Then consider a number what you will write digit. Suppose 4. If it is 4, then I will write here 4, but the product will be more or less than 265. So if I write here 5, 445, 45 and 5. Look, whatever the number, you will multiply by this. If you write here suppose 6, if you write here 46, so it will be 6. So 46 will be multiplied by 6, but I have written here 5 and I will write same digit 5. So 45 will be multiplied by 5. So I think you have understood better. So 45 will be multiplied by 5 5 ja 25. So it will be first 5. So 2 in hand, 4 5 ja 20 and 2 22. 225. Have you understood? Okay. If it is 7, look, it will be 47 and you will multiply by 7. Whatever you will write same thing, and this number you will multiply by this digit. Okay, then now what's the procedure? We will subtract 0, 5 and here 4. Then what we'll do? We have brought down this pair, so we have done this pair. Then what's the next pair? 64. This pair, not 6 only. 64. This pair will be brought down. 64. Then what? 25. So what's the double of 25? Or twice of 25 is 50. Whatever the number, you will multiply by 2 and you will get 50. So you will write here 50. Then you will consider another digit. You will write there and same digit you will write here. If it is 6, you will after doing 3 or 4 5 mathematical problem, you will understand better. So now consider it is 6. If it is 6, look, then you will multiply 506 by 6, but we know that is 40. Look, if it is 6 and it is 5 6 ja 30. So we think it will not be the perfect digit. So if it is 8, you'll check one by one. 4 5 6 7 8. So if I write here 8, then 8, look, what now? What's the number? 508. And what's the last one? Now we have just put 8. Then you will multiply 8 8 ja 64 and 5 8 ja 40. Look, so the number has been matched, 4064. So this is the square root number. 66,564 equal to 258. This is the square root number of this square number. So I think you have understood better. So see you again in the next class. Thank you very much.